The latest episode of either Doc, the drama series edlala kuMzansi Magic every Sunday at 8 o'clock in the evening. I-episode namhlanje kumhla ka-26 came with the latest drama bafethu. Ayi, ibishubile, ibimnandi. Let's get to it. So, siyayibona bafethu le drama leyo abantu bangayibuki. I'm just going to give you an idea ukuthi kwenzakalani. So there is this guy gama lakhe kuthiwa uLoyiso Oliphant played by uDumsani Bhebhe. uDumsani Bhebhe is married to Angela Sithole. Shuthi Mrs. Oliphant according to the drama. Banengane eziwu-2. And then it happens ukuthi uLoyiso Oliphant goes on a vacation nekhwapha lakhe ngoba sebenenkinga emshadweni nonkosikazi baye somewhere in one of those private lodges. Uma befika laphayana benekhwapha lakhe kanti nonkosikazi ulapho. It so happened ukuthi unkosikazi becomes confrontationally ne-side chick and nangunoLoyiso nawe ufuna ufaka i-divorce kunkosikazi kube khona iy'ngxabano eziba khona, and then it so happened later in the evening unkosikazi is declared ukuthi useshonile. Right? Akuveli kodwa-ke ukuthi ubulawo ba. That's the one thing that esingazi ukuthi ubulawo ba. Actually kwakhe futhi in that evening kube khona nabantu how can I say, ama neighbors ayo leya private resort le behlala khona leya room yabo abaclaima ukuthi bayibonile yonke lento le. So in the second episode igcila kakhulu ke nokuthi obani labo bafakazi baboneni bazini. Okay, so the first person they called on the dock, or rather on the stand enkantolo, kube unkosikazi uGumede laphayana oclaima ukuthi no umbonile noMrs Oliphant ebhizi ejahana nonkosikazi wakhe eqhiza igazi kanjani uyena ombulele. Lento uyisho naye bekumnyama kusebusuku akaboni, uvuka ebuthongweni kodwa unesiqiniseko salento ukuthi uyibonile. So much so i-defense ize yasho ukuthi phathwe enkantolo into eshowe lo sicela singayithatheli phezulu. As it stands lo ufila ngale ndlela afila ngayo ngeclient yami ukuthi azathi uyasola ukuthi ibulele ngenxa yokuthi naye ngokwakhe uneyinkinga zakhe nomnyeni wakhe awamshiya kudala ngoba phela wamfebela, so unaleyo nto anayo against abantu besilisa uma kusole ukuthi bafebile ngoba naye wake wafebela ngaphambilini. Understand-a ke leyo nto leyo bafethu? Yeah. And then on the other end ngala nangu undodana wakhe la. Hey, undodana la uJunior Oliphant, I suspect kama lakho uJunior Oliphant akamuzwa uyise, akamuzwa nhlobo. Like this whole thing nje akakwazi ukumbona ufuna ukumenzakalisa kodwa ayikho into afuna ukuyenza to such an extent ukuthi azathi ufuna ukumbulala. There was this one time ethunywa umkhulu wakhe ukuthi aye kwi-safe ayombekela into ethile, and then wayeseya kwi-safe umfana athi uyabheka, hayibo isibhamu. Ayabona mfana uthi hayi ngizosidinga lesi sibhamu lesi. Uyizwa lento leyo. Nakho nangala nafuthi nakhona ummeli ka-Oliphant ngala umnumzane Oliphant uLoyiso ufuna ukumdaqaza ngoba lo ummeli nawe uyabona lo we-defense attorney yakhe uthi hayi ngeke. Bafo lento yakho le noma uyiphika kodwa manje ibhizi incela ngakuwena. Kulezi inkinga nazo uMr Oliphant nango ubabe umkhwe wakhe ubaba kankosikazi ubhizi ngoba phela naye ku-government ufuna ukukhuluma nopresident la ukuthi president cala lo muntu ukuthi akhishwe lesikhundla sakhe soba minister ngoba phela lento le yenza thina sibuke kabi ezinhlangano as the ruling party sifuna ukuthi akhishwe. And then what the president does, sends through a minister of the presidency, makes a conference, and then they actually give out indaba yokuthi Mr Oliphant has been suspended until igama lakhe lize lisule libe msulo. Understand the nto leyo? So that's how the whole thing goes with indaba yecareer yakhe as a minister. But at least he's not fired, so usually into kanjena maybe suspended with pay. We do not know. But anyways, this one evening u-auntie shuthi udadwabo kankosikazi lo ngasekho ngoba phela undodana usehlala khona ehlalele hawu ephuzela iziphuzo zakho zasebusuku nangoba bakho uyafika la uthi hayibo ningelelani kwi-safe yami bathatha isibhamu kwasuke ima auntie ibuye network uthi hayibo yazi umfana uke wakhuluma ukuthi ufuna ukubulala uyise. Hey bhutu basukuma bayangena emotweni kuya kephi lapha ka-Oliphant bobona phela ukuthi wenzakala ngoba nasi isibhamu sesilahlekile yacacisa umfana usithathile ufuna ukuyobulala uyise. Imagine uma befika laphayana umfana usekhomba usipawuzise ngesibhamu la ngebhadi abakwazanga ukuthi bafike bangene endlini. Avisho ama-security ngapha the last time befika bafika nedrama futhi still, so ama-security are very strict ukuthi ababangenisi. Umfana lapho ukhomba uyise ngesibhamu uthi lento ngenzela uma ngoba wena umbulele, wena uminister unama-connections, understand lapho kuningi nje kuningi. Agcina sekustrugglishwe ngesibhamu kwastrugglishwa kwaphela kanjalo-ke isibhamu siqhuma emoyeni, sangazi siqhuma kubani, sixhume enyameni yomuntu noma siqhume emoyeni. Asazi, iphele kanjalo ishow yanamhlanje. Thank you for giving me this opportunity ngichazele yonke lento bafethu. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Don't forget to press the bell button and the like button khona uzokwazi ukuthola ama-notifications whenever I drop these videos. Bafethu, the doc imnandi, I highly recommend it. Imnandi kakhulu. I think it's going to be playing for the next 2 months. Ngoba vele phela ama-Sunday dramas on Mzansi Magic, they usually play for like 12 to 13 episodes. Okay, till we meet again for another review of another episode kumanye ama-shows on TV.